Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of playing sports. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. Playing sports is quite popular in many countries all over the world. In fact, for many millions of people, playing a sport is a quite important hobby. While there are numerous advantages of playing sports, there are also some problems related to sports. In this article, the pros and cons of playing sports are examined in detail. Advantages of playing sports. You can improve your fitness level. One important advantage of playing sports is that you can greatly improve your fitness level. Many people in our nowadays society don't work out too often and therefore, they become quite lazy and unfit. In turn, many people also suffer from serious overweight and obesity, and in order to mitigate those problems, playing a sport can be a great way to lose weight. Hence, if you are currently struggling with your weight or with your fitness in general, you may want to start playing a sport in order to solve your problems in a rather short period of time. Sports can be a nice hobby. Many people also really like playing sports as a hobby. The good thing about sports is that there are so many different sports out there, and chances are that you will find a sport that is suitable for you quite soon. If you don't know which sport fits you yet, you may want to try different sports until you find your favorite one. Make sure to also check out my other article regarding the advantages and disadvantages of soccer, basketball, baseball, rugby, hockey, golf, tennis, or surfing in order to find out which sport is for you. Playing sports can improve your overall health. Sports are also really important for our health. We as humans need a certain minimum amount of exercise to stay mentally and physically healthy. Hence, if you currently do not exercise enough, playing sports could also likely significantly improve your overall health. You can find new friends through playing team sports. If you currently consider to start playing a sport, make sure that you choose a team sport instead of an individual sport. The reason why I recommend going for team sports is that teamwork is quite important in several parts of our life, and if you learn how to work in a team in a proper manner, this will give you higher chances to succeed in various parts of life. Moreover, you can also make many new friends through playing team sports. Playing sports can reduce stress. Sports are also known to reduce our overall stress levels. In our current society, many people feel stressed since they have to work quite long hours and also often have to take care of their kids. Hence, it is quite difficult to deal with all those tasks in a proper manner, and chances are that you will need some time off from your daily life. Sports can help you in this regard since they provide you with a good opportunity to unplug from your stressful daily life and to recharge your batteries. Sports can help you to become more confident. Another benefit of sports is that they can also increase your overall level of confidence. If you are currently overweight or suffer from a lack of confidence due to various other reasons, playing a sport can greatly help you to boost your confidence, since you will be able to make many new friends who can support you, and you will also gain trust in your abilities. In turn, you will be more confident in various parts of your life, which is crucial to succeed in the long run. You can learn how to deal with competition. In order to succeed in life, it is also crucial that you learn how to deal with competition in a proper manner. In fact, life is one big competition, and if you don't learn how to compete, you may lose in various parts of life. Playing sports can teach you how to compete and how to focus on becoming better, especially if you play against other opponents in official tournaments. You may be able to turn your hobby into your profession. If you really get good at your sport, you may even have the opportunity to turn your hobby into a serious profession. In fact, there are some athletes out there who earn really good money, and if you work hard enough and also have the talent, you may be able to earn serious money from your sport. Professional sports athletes can earn millions. If you become world class at sports, you can even earn millions of dollars. However, note that this is extremely difficult, and even if you trained all day long, chances to get to this level are almost zero. Hence, Make sure that you have backup plans in case your professional sports career does not work out like planned. You may learn how to lead people. If you engage in a team sport and are part of the team for a long enough time, chances are that you will also be able to play a major role for your team. You may even get the opportunity to lead your team as a captain. Leading skills are quite important to succeed in the corporate world, and therefore, you can learn this important skill in a rather playful way by playing sports. Playing sports can help you to learn how to deal with conflicts. From time to time, you may also get into conflict with your teammates, especially in difficult periods of the season. However, those conflicts are a great chance to learn from them. In fact, learning to deal with conflicts is quite important for various parts of our life, and by playing team sports, you can also learn this important skill. Plenty of free training material for sports on the internet. While it had been quite difficult to learn certain sports only a few decades ago, it has now become far easier to learn sports since there is so much free training material available on the internet. In fact, it has never been easier to learn a sport, and you should definitely try different sports in order to figure out which sport fits you best. Disadvantages of sports. Playing sports can be exhausting. Apart from the many benefits of playing sports, there are also some issues related to them. For instance, one problem of sports is that they can be quite exhausting. Many people do not want to exercise too much, and if those people have to run a lot, chances are that they will lose interest in their sport pretty soon. Some sports are much more exhausting than others, and if you are a person who doesn't like to exercise too much, make sure to choose your sport according to that. Sports equipment can be expensive. Another downside of sports is that sports equipment can be quite expensive. Especially in sports where you need plenty of protection, you can spend many hundreds or even many thousands of dollars on your equipment. However, many sports are also quite cheap. For instance, if you want to play soccer, you just need a ball and you are basically ready to go. Hence, make sure to choose your sport according to your budget in order to avoid any unpleasant surprises later on. Sports can be time-consuming. If you want to get really good at your sport, you will also have to invest plenty of time. Yet, hard work pays off sooner or later, and this is also true when it comes to succeeding in sports. Therefore, also make sure that you want to make this time commitment for your sport. Can interfere with your corporate career. If you invest plenty of time for your sport, this can also lead to serious problems regarding your corporate career. If you work in a demanding job and want to get promoted on a regular basis, chances are that you will have to work for long hours every day. In turn, there might not be enough time left to play your favorite sport. Hence, at one point in time, chances are that you will have to decide between following a professional sports career or a business career. Playing sports can lead to serious injuries. Some sports are also known to be quite risky. In fact, many sport athletes suffer from serious injuries during their career, and some of them even have to quit their sport sooner or later due to those injuries. Thus, make sure that you are willing to suffer quite a bit for your sport, especially if you want it to become your profession. Some sports can also be quite unhealthy. While playing sports on a recreational basis is often quite healthy, the opposite is true when you play sports on a professional level. In fact, many professional sports athletes have a significantly lower life expectancy compared to the average person in the general public. Consequently, if you want to do good for your health, staying on a recreational level may be better for you compared to pursuing a professional sports career. You may need a trainer to become really good. If you really want to become world-class at your sport, you will also have to get a trainer who can expose your weaknesses and who can bring you to the next level. However, those trainers are usually not cheap, and you should factor this in before deciding to go for a professional sports career. Playing sports can lead to serious pressure. Especially if you want to play sports on a professional level, you may also suffer from serious pressure. It can be mentally challenging when millions of people watch your games, and many people are also not able to deal with this kind of pressure in a proper manner. You may give up quite soon. Many people are also quite excited and motivated to learn a sport at the beginning. However, in many cases, their motivation levels drop quite quickly and therefore, many people also give up quite soon. Thus, especially at the beginning, make sure to stay focused and motivated in order to stay on track with your sport. Success in sports may depend on individual talent. Hard work is important to succeed in various parts of life. Yet, hard work alone is often not sufficient to become really good at things. This is also true for sports. If you don't have a certain amount of talent, you will likely never succeed as a professional athlete. Thus, make sure that you have some plans ready in case your sports career fails for various possible reasons. Should you play sports? From the previous discussion, it has become obvious that there are many advantages and problems of playing sports. In my opinion, you should at least make sure to try different sports on a recreational basis so that you are able to decide for yourself whether playing those sports is for you or if you want to search for other hobbies instead. If you liked the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.